Hello friends, this is once again Jigna Desai, founder of Arya's Hobby Classes. So today I'll be teaching you all making a flower, how to make a flower. So what we need is either you have a quilling strips, you can go ahead or take chart paper A4 size, any color paper you can take. I have lots of papers with me, yellow color, red color and also green papers you want for making the stick of the flower. Scissors, cutter, glue, anything whatever you can keep with you, right? So now let's move ahead how to make a flower with me. So now go ahead. Go. So now we need this A4 size paper. Take any color. Just fold from here in center. Okay. So now I will be cutting this. Either you can cut with the scissor. Just cut this with a scissor. I am cutting with a cutter. You can take anything. You can cut with a scissor because these cutters are very sharp. Okay, I got these 4 parts. Now I will fold this once again like this from center. Now I will be cutting this again. Okay. Now this also I am cutting. So this way I have got 4 strips from red color and from yellow color I have got this 4 strips, right? So now I shall be making, I have cut this green paper into 2 parts. See, there's 2 parts, okay, for making the stick. Now first we'll start with making the stick. Take this half green paper and put like this and you can just start rolling from here. Just roll slowly. Just see how I am rolling. See this. Can you see? Just roll. I'm just rolling. Okay, rolling. Just we are making a strip slowly. Just see. Can you see this? Okay. This way we got a strip. So now this is very big. So I am now cutting this from here parallel. Okay, now I'll be sticking with this glue. Stick a glue. Okay. Okay. I got this strip. This is a bit loose enough. So now I am taking this one more half paper. I am cutting from center. See this stick I have made. This is so slim. Now I am making this again one more. I am just trying to roll it. This will take a bit seconds. But once you start rolling, you will get an amazing sticks. This should be thinner and thinner. It shouldn't, if it's thicker, then you should just open it up. Just roll it. It should be very thinner and thinner. Just see how thinner I'm making. Just see. Get it closer. Yes. See this. I'm getting such a thinner strip. Wow. Right now I will putting a gum here. Just I will stick this up. Okay. See these 2 sticks I got. Zoom on this. Yes. Yes. Okay. So now we shall start making flower. So suppose I have taken this yellow strip. I am making a flower from yellow strip. And if you want, you can just once again make a half of this. You don't have to cut. Just make a line like this. Okay. Just make a line like this. Okay, you got this line. See this line, you have got this line. If you can't understand, you can always draw a line with a scale like this or a pencil. Okay, so now what we have to do is, now take this strip. Now you have to start cutting. It should be till here only, till this line only. See this. Okay, it should be a bit closer. It should not be so much far. It should be something closer, like this, like this. Are you getting? Hope you all are getting this. Like this, like this, like this. Right. So now we'll start making a flower. I'm taking this yellow strip and I have cut also this red strip. Okay, so two flowers will be making, yellow and red. So now I'm taking this one stick which I've already made. Okay, so now we'll be sticking it here. Take either from here, either you can just cut it from the top. So we don't want this portion. I'm just cutting it. Okay, it will become sharp. Now I will be putting a gum here, and I'll be sticking this here, this stick. Okay, are you getting this? Now I will start rolling slowly as you do all in quilling. Those who might have learned quilling, they might be knowing about this. Okay, see this. I am rolling. It's very simple and easy to make a flower. See this. A flower will be ready in a short time. Just see it doesn't get entangled. You have to be very careful sometimes. It gets opened. If you just loosen your hand, it will just get it open full again. Now just apply gum here. Okay, and see, from your center, either you can put a pen in center of this flower. See this. Okay, the center just open like this. Just cutting this leaf. Just see. Wait. Can you see this? It's amazing flower we are getting here. Okay, if you want to just cut the shape, you can always cut a bit. Okay, my flower is ready. And now we'll be making a green color flower. So if you want, see this part here, if you want, you can always stick a paper. If you have a green color tape, you can put. I will be putting a sellotape over here. If you have a green tape, you can just stick it here, so this doesn't get open it out. Okay, see this, just putting a tape here so that it doesn't get opened up. Okay, so if you can now see, with the sellotape I have just make it so thicker, and if you can see, this sellotape marks are there, right? So for hiding this, either we can put a green color tape, comes in the market. Okay, or either we can just make small petals, green petals like this. How can we make it? Just take any size paper, just make 2-3 folds. Okay, 2-3 folds, and now I'll be drawing a, see this, I will be drawing this big. I'll be cutting like this. So I will get this 3 papers, right? So now what I'll be doing, I'll be just applying gum at the down of this lace. Okay, now just see, I'll just apply the gum here. Now just see properly. Just see. Okay, here I have applied glue now. Now I want to cover this up. I will just put it here. Okay, like this. See, it is bigger than the flower. Okay, so I will be folding like this. I will be turning like this. Just see, I'm turning like this. Okay, okay, like this. Now you can take one more paper. Just 3 is enough. Just take one more paper. So this sellotape marks can be hidden. If you have a green tape, it's completely fine. Like this. See this one more. Just apply some gum here. Like this. So now I will show you making two with combination of two colors. See this red and this yellow. Okay. So now I will be sticking this. I have cut in the same way. Now I will be sticking this here. Okay. See. So if you want to take yellow in center, you have to start from yellow color. Whichever color you want to put in center, you have to start from there. So now I am sticking the stick here. I will start folding from here slowly from the yellow color. From yellow color. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Then we'll be crossing from yellow color to red color. See, can you see this? So now see this. Can you see this? I have made in the same way. See this. Two different colors, right? Yellow and red. You can take 3 colors or just any color. And if you want, you can also cut this yellow color. You can just cut this yellow color if you want. Or whenever you are rolling, that time also you can cut it. Just see. Can you see this? I'm just cutting the yellow color. So the yellow color is shorter and then outside red color is coming. Just see this, right? Just see this. Can you see this way? Right? See this flower? See this flower? See these leaves we have put. This. So our flowers are ready. N number of colors flowers you can make, right? There are very different types of making flowers. We'll be learning in our next video. Can you see this now? The flowers are ready. See, so my 3 flowers are ready with different colors. Can you see this? You can make n number of color flowers, whatever your colors you are having it, right? So make lots of flowers. You can also arrange in a flower vase. Stay tuned with me with Arya's Hobby Classes next time with next video. See you all. Hope you enjoyed watching me. Bye for now. See you.